So, Saturday's game, right?
Here's your vanilla banana shake. Here you go.
Now that looks good, doesn't it? You want a sip of my tea?
Sweet tea.
No, I'll get, yeah, taste it. I'll get, here's another, here's a straw. Then I can get a reload before I go home. I'll say, would you put the rest of this in a cup and top it off for me? And she can cook me a brand new one.
Here's your check with some extra napkins.
Okay, thanks.
Here's your chili mac. And here's your shooters. You guys enjoy.
Alright. Hey, 3 little shooters, huh? They look good, so that would be a good thing to. Not a starter, is she?
No.
So he'll be there Saturday, right?
But another girl that I know from Marvin is a starter on that team. Megan Chapman or something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, those girls are serious about basketball.
You think we'll win?
I don't know. Those girls are big.
I'm taking.
Just don't. You think you can? Those catfish.
Yeah. He taught us a bunch of new moves today. Like, he taught us like the inside out dribble, like outside in, like the spin move.
Uh-huh.
Like
You're gonna try some of those moves Saturday?
yeah, I think I should.
Yeah, absolutely.
But what?
Absolutely. The main thing though is to push and shove a little bit under the basket, but with your body, not with your hands. Just sort of move people out of the way with your butt, you know, just back them out. Get those rebounds and stick them back.
Do you think I get more of my points if I get the ball posting up or if I get the ball out on the wing?
If you get on the wing, it has to be short wing, not way out near the out of bounds line. If you get it, say from here to that guy right there, or a little bit closer, or maybe even a little bit further than that, then you're in good shape because all you got to do is fake your head fake him and either shoot it or step around him, you know. I mean, you're not having any trouble getting shots.
Having trouble getting the ball.
That's exactly right. You don't get enough touches. You run down the court, get wide open, and you don't see the ball.
I'm the only one that runs down the floor. Everyone else tries.
I know.
Coach doesn't say anything about it.
He doesn't say a word. Anybody does.
He says nice job to Matthews. Matthews scores 2 points on 1 of 6 shooting in the quarter. On 1 of 6 shooting in the minute. miss a shot, some little guy's going to get a rebound, and because Matthew takes all the shots, he's going to give the ball back to Matthew. He's going to shoot again, miss, get his own rebound, miss a layup, then get down the court, he gets the ball, he's going to shoot, he's going to make it, and then it's going to take about 5 shots in a row, and he might make one or two.
He's a pretty good dribbler. Now, Michael Matthews, he's not playing on the white team, is he? And how about Nate? Is he playing on the white team? So they're not getting any practice this summer, are
They're going to for baseball.
they? Oh, really?
Nate, he's doing that plant thing, but I doubt he's going to get much better with that coaching.
Or the camp?
No, he's doing the plant camp, but he's also doing that team that me and Matthew tried out for, but Nate made it.
Oh, he did?
The practice is going to be like, all right, this is the way to argue to your parents to make them give me more money. Number 1, give my coach more money. I said no. Number 2,
How did Nate make that?
because the guy's an idiot.
Okay, yeah.
How are you, sir? I apologize. What can I get you to drink?
Because Nate's pretty good, but he's not that great at basketball player.
No, I don't.
You
I
can
don't
get it with
think
lettuce
so.
and tomato?
I've never seen him score more than 4 or 5 points in a game.
Okay.
It's like I was telling you the other night on the phone. The worst part of it is if you play good basketball like you should play, then you'll pass the ball to somebody that's wide open, or someone else has not. But in that environment, if you do that, that's the last time you're going to see the ball. So when you get it, you feel like, well, I better do something with it because this is my turn. I mean, I've run up and down this court 5 times and I haven't touched the ball. So now I've got it in my hand. I'd be darned if I'm going to give it to somebody else, which is not good basketball, but it's just about the way you have to play, isn't it? Basketball this year, they're taking the no charge rule where you cannot, they're going to call a foul on you if you defend right under the basket. In other words, you can run over a guy if he's right under the basket. If he's the second defender, if a help defender who would be not your primary man, but say you're driving for the basket or around your man, and somebody steps over to help, if that's right under the basket, you can't be called for charges if you run right over there. And they're trying to get them to even put a little circle around it, so that that's called the no charge. They've already got that in the pros. If you can't block anybody if they're driving right under the basket, and this year it's going to be in college too.
And now
That just helped the dunkers. Oh, okay. I didn't know what that was. I thought that was maybe the security. Oh, okay.
I'm trying to charge my batteries.
Okay, well, I'll take care of it.
Fine.
That's funny, isn't it? You go into a restaurant and plug up your battery charger.
Now what rule is that? Like rule 16-7BA?
Yeah, as amended.
Because all pro players are going to read that rule, right? Because that's what they do all night. They drool over the NBA rule book.
Well, you know what? you're going to have to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of Flint as opposed to Jesuit. And your dad and mom are going to think that one of the disadvantages of Jesuit is it costs a lot more money than Flint.
That's what my dad said yesterday. They want me to go to Plant.
Tell him if he'll get a new basketball coach over there, you'll go, right?
Yeah. Just fire that guy, hire Marvin.
Hire Marvin. That's right.
Or you get Vince Carter retire, you hire him. Something like that.
But you know what? You could come back next year, try out again for that team, make it, and he may just be crazy about you. You know, these guys.
And then he'll say, I see you've been working on your game from last year. I'll be like, I haven't worked on anything. You were just an idiot last year.
That's right.
Chocolate banana malt and a glass of
I
ice.
sure feel like one of those milkshakes, Jackson, but I know I should not do that. Let me see if you'll give me a little bit more tea.
Those are the kind of
Here we go. I'm going to see if she'll give me a little tea in a paper cup.
There we go, dear.
So what's going to be your strategy in this
There we
game
go, sweetie.
with the superior girls?
You finished, sweetie? Let me get this out of the way for you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Get the ball. Good shoot.
That's right. He's going into the black hole. It is never to return. That's what you should tell yourself before you. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to have a special request. Could you give me a little more tea in a cup?
To go?
To go.
Okay.
Thank you. We call that a special request. She's hoping that her generosity will be reflected in the tip, right? Instead of a quarter, I'm going to give her 35 cents. She's going to say, "You're all heart." This guy came over and said that I had disrupted his battery charger. He said, "I'm trying to charge my battery."
I wish our basketball coach let me handle the ball.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed everything.
We did.
Was those shooters good, sweetie? All right.
Where's our check? Is it around here
Your
somewhere?
check is right here under your napkin.
Thank you. Good deal. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Come back and see us sometime.
We'll do it.
Here you go.
Wow. $13.96. That was so good. I feel like we should probably pay more. Those shooters they should be worth more than 99 cents, right? Let's tell. What do we think that we should tell them they're worth?
47.
3 for. They're 99 cents a piece. 3 for $3. Well, you need here. Use that napkin to get that ketchup off. Do you want a fork or a spoon or anything?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Let me find you.
Let it happen. Yeah, I got it.
Hey, there's one. Yeah, can you eat them? Then you won't have to handle them with your hands. Between basketball and baseball, which you really like the best? Basketball?
Right.
It's a little more interesting to learn, isn't it? Because it's for a spoon or anything?
Sure.
Huh? find you?
Let it happen. Yeah, I got it.
Hey, there's one. Yeah, I can eat them, then you won't have to handle them with your hands. Between basketball and baseball, which you really like the best? Basketball?
Right.
It's a little more interesting to learn, isn't it? Because there's more skill in learning and what to do. Whereas baseball, there's skill, but it's a lot of doing the same thing over and over again, isn't it? Just trying to get better at doing the same things. Whereas basketball, you're trying to get better at a whole lot of different things that you didn't know before. Did your dad show you on the internet those pictures that man took up there the other night?
Yeah.
Did he point out to you that you were pulling out of the pitch and had your back to or did he make any comment?
He exaggerated how bad I was.
Did he? He's good at that. Oh, that's horrible. Oh.
He's like, you see how bad that is, Justin? Your body ain't that dugout. The ball is on that side of the plate. You're not trying to twist your body in half now. You're just trying to hit the ball.
Now, what does he say about you swinging at those high balls?
You don't swing that pitch. That pitch is in your eye.
You'd be one of the great high ball hitters of all time.
Yeah. You're one of the great inside ball hitters of all time. I've only got two inside pitches all year that haven't come close to hitting me. And one of them is in my room. The other one...
What does that mean? It was a home run?
The other one, I lost.
You know, I don't know if you remember the night you hit your home run, but the big home run over on Davis Island. But neither your mom and dad were there. Your dad was in Atlanta or somewhere, and your mom had gone. I believe she had been over there, but she'd gone. So I'm on the cell phone calling them, and they cannot believe that they've missed this great home run. I think your mom thought I was kidding. I said, Jackson just hit a prodigious home run way over the left field. Oh, no.
What did my dad say? Great, now I have to get back to my meeting.
No, he was very interested in the details. I don't think I got him on the first try, and I think he did have to call me back. I believe he may have been in the airport.
Was it pretty far out? Was it pretty far over?
Well, see, I couldn't tell because it hit that mesh net, and so I don't know how high up it hit. If they hadn't had that net, then I could have told how far behind the fence it went. But it wasn't close because the left fielder, he'd never made any move. He just watched it.
It makes you feel better.
Yeah, he just watched it go over his head. It was really a little bit left center. I told your dad later, and your mom too, which sign it went over. I've forgotten now which one it was. So, you about ready?